So you are now increasing charges and you're filling that on my mobile billing account as of March. Christmas. Fine. So last time, so we used the computing sources. So here you go and select any project. So we created a demo project last time. So let me select the demo project. This is my demo project. So you go and create the few servers. So we check it out to connect it to the servers part. So coming to this web applications, so web servers configuration part. So he will do how this manually deployment. Manual deployment I will show you. After that, I will show you the automation deployment. So using the you can deploy automation deployment using Kubernetes concept. So we can use the Ansible concept. We can use the Terraform concept also. So first, as a DevOps engineer, first from your system you connect it to your GCP cloud like this. This is your GCP cloud. Okay, go and connect it to your GCP cloud. So this is first method I am showing. So graphical user interface. So here you have to enter the username and password. You connect it to your GCP cloud. Once connected to GCP cloud, open the compute engine. So right compute engine. Here launch the few virtual machines. So I will launch the virtual machine 1 and the virtual machine 2. So what are these web servers inside the cloud? So what are the default web servers? So for all Windows servers, right? So operating system, we have two categories mainly we are being organized, right? OS, we have two operating systems. Windows operating systems are there. Linux operating systems are there. Now, can you give me example for Windows server operating system? Windows, we have 2016 server operating system. Windows, we have 2019 server operating system. In Windows, we have 2022 server operating system. The latest one is the 2025. This is the latest server operating system, right? This is server operating system. What is the latest client we are using? Windows 11 is the latest client operating system. Employees can use. For project implementation, project deployment purpose, we can use the server operating system. Same way, Linux, we have Red Hat Linux, Ubuntu Linux, Debian Linux, CentOS Linux. These are the Linux server operating systems. Okay, so for all Windows servers, we have only one web server by default. That web server name is IaaS, Internet to Information Service. Now, how to configure this IaaS web server? How to install this IaaS web server role, and how to configure the HTML pages, HTML web pages. So, how to customize the HTML web pages. This is one example I will show you. Second example, for all Linux servers, we have different types of web servers. For all Linux, we can use the HTTPD web server, and another one is the NGINX web server, and another one is the APACHE. So these are the default web servers. So we can use for testing purpose for all Linux operating system. So HTTPD web server, NGINX web server, and the APACHE web server. To test these three web servers, we need three Linux operating systems, right? So, for example, so I will take CentOS operating system. In this CentOS Linux operating system, I will go and install the HTTPD web server. And same way, I will take the Ubuntu operating system. In this Ubuntu operating system, I will install the NGINX default web server. So for this Apache, I can go and use the Debian operating system. In Debian, I will go and install the Apache operating system. Okay. So for Linux, we have three default web servers. For all Windows servers, we have only one web server, IaaS. Okay. Totally, we have four web servers, guys. IaaS web server configuration, HTTPD web server configuration, NGINX, Apache. When you go in real time, so they can use any one of these web servers. So inside every organization, we have web server, right? So they can use IaaS web server for their website configuration. Some people can use HTTPD, or some people can NGINX or Apache, whatever it may be. So how to install these roles, how to configure the default website pages, how to access these website pages. So all those things we will see real time oriented. So to establish this concept, first you have to connect it to your GCP cloud. Yes, I successfully connected to my GCP cloud. So let's open your computing services. So let's open all solution, all product. So open your service. So this is one of the core tower. So computing engine. Once you open the computing engine, now you can see VM instance tab. So under VM instance, now you can see already I have the two servers, VM01, VM02. VM01 is the server operating system we already installed ready. So I will do IaaS and this. VM02 is the, so let's open which operating system. I think this is the Ubuntu operating system maybe. Okay, we can go and verify also once connecting. So it's a, so what type of operating system this one? Now go for institute. So you can see the type of the operating system installed. Let's see, this is for instant to running. So where is the operating system type? CC to media. So instant to OS under disk. So it will display. Yeah. So VM recommended, and then now you can see, yeah, this is the Ubuntu operating system. Okay, fine. So we have already two servers. Let me create another two servers. So Linux, we have one server. Let me create two more servers for Linux. Total four web servers we have to do today. Okay, this is your task. Let's do it one by one. Let's go and create instant VM03 I'm creating. So VM03. Okay, give the lowercase, it's case into, let's go, it will take name, it's not it. So VM03. Okay, VM03, right? So go for capital letters, it will take VM, it will not take space into, right? This will not take, see, space into. So VM hyphen 03, right? So select EC2. Now go for OS and disk. So by default it shows Debian. So I want to change the, okay, anyway, we have last time we installed the Ubuntu operating system. This time I can go and take the Debian operating system. Fine, Debian is okay. Select. So all are default options only. Let's go for networking. Here, just allow the HTTP protocol. Why I am allowing the HTTP protocol? I want to configure the web server inside this server. Okay. I allow the HTTP. Network, everything is same, default only. So I select the default network, default subnet, public IP address server. Let's go and launch this server. Create. VM03 is creating. Okay. So it will take zone. So any one of the zone randomly. That's okay. So all systems are I'm creating. So Asia South 1 zone. See, one zone, how many systems it allow? We can see the limitation also. I creating three. Let's go on to create another system. Refresh. Just click on refresh. This is the US Central one. It's great. Okay, whatever maybe zone is fine. Let's go and create another system. So VM04. Give the system name. So VM04. Fine. Let's so OS. So change. This time I will go and select the CentOS operating system. CentOS 9. Fine. Hard disk 20 GB. Select. So networking, allow HTTP protocol. So default networks only, default network, default subnet, everything's fine. Let's go and create. See, I successfully created the four servers, one for Windows, three for Linux. Got it? Uh, so Windows system, what type of web servers we are using? All Windows servers. You take 2026 or 2019, 22, 25. We can install only one web server role, IIS. For all Windows servers, we have only one web server, IIS. So ఎవరు యూజ్ చేసిన మార్కెట్లో సో ది పీపుల్ కెన్ యూజ్ ఓన్లీ ఐఏఎస్ వెబ్ సర్వర్ ఫర్ ఆల్ విండోస్ సర్వర్స్. సో లెట్స్ కనెక్ట్ టు యువర్ విండోస్ సర్వర్. Just select VM. Here we have RDP, right? So last time we connect, we set the username and password, right? In case if you forget to use password, set username password. I think we tried that to username and password. Copy this one. So for a Windows server from your local system, say as a DevOps engineer, you have to connect to all the four systems one by one. So VM01, VM3 is created, VM4 is running. VM1, I want to install the IAS first task. Okay, do it. Let's connect it to from the local. This is my local system. So I have Windows 11 inside my computer. Now you can see this is the employee laptop. From my laptop, which is the client software I can use. So MSTSC, remote desktop connection. Open this service, copy paste the public IP address server operating system. Just click on hit connect. Now it is asking the username GCP admin. Passwords, I think I forget. I will try what password I set. Let's go with admin. Okay. Let's go with admin at the rate of 2025. This may be password maybe. In case I forget also I can reset. So let's click on OK. Let's admin dash 2025. This one. It's not tagging. I forget my password. So what I had to do? Let's go reset. Reset Windows. So username, this is default username. Username GCP admin. This is my username. Set password. It will generate one temporary password if you forget your password. So this is temporary password, copy and paste here. Just click on connect. Yes, copy paste the temporary password. Fine. See, this does double time it's doing. So let's up to till symbol. Okay, this is my password. Right. Let's go and click OK. Close. Now you can see yes. I connecting to my Windows Server operating system. So I have to install the last time we launched the installation part. Still running. Let's open the section that we connect. Oh my god, Monday I have to do it again. I, let's go and connect username GCP and then copy paste the temporary password. The symbol. Click OK. Click yes. Yeah. This is my server operating system. Last time we started the IIS installation, but it's not done. Let's close it. No problem. Let's open the PowerShell. Do it via commands. So graphically, it's take time. So if you want to do it to IIS role installation very quickly, we have one command. So I will share that command. Let's go for a website to IIS Internet Information Service, IIS web server installation command in PowerShell. Let's open this command we have to use. I will share this command also. Now you can see this is command you have to use it to install the IIS web server via CLI mode. So this command. So this command, if you copy paste this command, IIS role will be installed. I will share this command. You can save this command to install the IIS web server role. Okay. Let's go to your system. Let's copy paste the command. Hit enter. Now you can see we start installing. Web server is web server all web server role will be installed. Yes. So yes, installing is successfully installed. Okay. So it is asking to restart. Okay. Let's go and restart your system. So let's how to restart our system, how to restart your virtual machines in cloud. Simple. Let's go refresh. So select this system. There is a restart option, right? So stop, suspend, reset is there. I want to reset my server. Let's go click on server. You can do reset or restart. Edit, reset, create machine images. Let's go restart option. This is system I want to restart. So you can restart here itself, right? Server itself only you can restart. In bottom you can see we have tab restart your reboot your system. Okay, let's go and restart. Just continue. Once restart, you can access your IIS web server. Now let's see. It's very important. So in automation, we will deploy the web applications. So most of the time, we will work on web applications only. So apps and web application deployment. Okay. So this process you guys need to be aware. So I'm rebooting my system. Let's see. Restart. Let's go. It's not. Okay. Regional whatever maybe. So if you have to restart, so it's taking time. Okay, fine. Now you can stop and you can start also. Let's stop the system. I'm stopping my virtual machine. Again, I will start my system. Okay. If you install any softwares and configuration, just you can stop and you can restart your system. I'm stopping my machine. If I do like this, it will happen very quickly. That's the reason I'm stopping. Again, I start the system. Refresh. Okay. Meanwhile, so we'll do configure the remaining Linux web servers. Okay. Connected to virtual machine 2. It's stopping system. Let's refresh. We will do one by one. No problem. Let's refresh. Yeah, system is stopped. Okay, start the system. Right, start the VM. Start the virtual machine. It's starting. refresh. VM instance is stopped, again it's rebooting, refresh. So again it's restarting the system. This is the internal IP, this is the external IP. Refresh the system. VM instance is started. Right, VM instance is started. Right, again connected to this system. Let's go on to set password, give the username, GCP admin. This is my username, so I prefer to use set password. So take the temporary password. Once you send, you can reset your password also. GCP admin. Yes, copy the temporary password. Same process, right? MSTRC, remote desktop connection. Let's copy paste the public IP. Sorry, this is password, right? What is public IP address of the system? 34.100.94. Right? Same IP. Let's go on to connect. Username is GCP admin. Let's copy paste the password. This time it is taking 2 times password. When I copy paste, okay. Click OK. Close it. I'm connecting to my Windows server. Yeah, successfully connected to. And check IIS WebServer role install or not properly. Okay, so this is my web server, guys. Okay, refresh. 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 This is server manager. Refresh. Refresh. Now you can see let's server manager tool is opening, loading. Refresh. In search box, you can type your IIS server role, IIS, Internet Information Service. So open the IIS role. Now access your default website page. Yeah, this is my IIS web server perfectly installed. Now you can see extend your server. This is server name VM01, right? So this is your website information. This is default website. Right click on default website. So manage website. Now select browse option. Locally, I'm testing inside the server. I'm testing website page is open or not. Right now, you can see locally I'm testing. My website page is open. Local host. Now you can see. So start with your data. Continue. Confirm browsing. Now you can see my default website page is open. So this is the my default web server page. Not this one. Website is not starting. Let's browse. Right click, manage, and then browse. Now this is our default website page, guys. So internally I'm testing. So everything is okay. IIS role install, website page is open. But outside people's, so I'm sitting internet. I want to access your server website page. How can I access? So using the public IP. If you share this public IP address to the people, so they can go and access. Copy this IP from internet. You are sitting. You can also access my website page using this public IP. How you can access? HTTP:// IP address followed by the port number. Now you can see outside people also access my web server. Why? I allowed the HTTP port number. HTTP protocol is allowed. That's the reason outside people also can access my website page. This is the default website page. You guys want to do custom websites, so there is a team, separate team, your organization, website designing team. They will do the customization all. I will show you some simple example. You want to do customization, you can take any code. So sample HTML, right, pages. So from this, you can go on the sample HTML pages. If you go for this website, you have these are the all sample website pages. Now you can go and take any website pages. So let's go here. Whatever you want, you can do here. Let's go for basic home colors. Okay, you want any um, try it yourself. Now you can see. Now you want to do this. This is your website page content maybe. So if you want to this website content, you have to use this website code. So I copy this website code, sample code. So go to your system and remove the default page. This is your default website page, right? Let's go here. So where I can go and change. Let's go for your local C drive. This is our computer. Go to C drive. Open C drive where I need to change into. So this is the folder. So int pub. So inside we have www root folder. This is the default page I open. So I delete this default page. If I delete this default page, can I access my website? No. To refresh,
No, sir.
see HTTP
Error.
error came. Outside people's, so they also get same error. So outside people's also they can't access. Now refresh, they can't access. This type of errors we use. So just go and change the default website page. Now here, let's create one text file. Add the so new folder. Not I want a file. This is we can't create file. There is file options. Why it's asking folder. Show more
सर
options.
कंट्रोल प्लस एन डायरेक्टली वो खुल
Yeah.
जाएगा फोल्डर के लिए.
Inside this folder, I need one file. So where is file options? Why it's showing
सर
error? Yeah.
लेफ्ट के ऊपर में वहां पे न्यू का ऑप्शन है.
Which one? This one.
नहीं सर, लेफ्ट के ऊपर एकदम कोने में, या दिस वन.
This one. Folder option. This is folder. Folder is okay. I want to create file.
फाइल या.
Yeah. Okay. Generally, it will come option. If you click right click, there is an option you have to show here. Text file. So I think MS Office is not installed. But default also, let's go here. Notepad. Yes, open Notepad. You can save that Notepad in that location. I copy paste my code here. Let save as a HTML page. So file name index.html. Okay. So type all files. Location where I need to save. Go for C drive. This location I have to save. Okay. Let's C drive double F. This location I have to save. Save. Interrupted. You don't have permission to save this location. Contact administrator obtain permission. Would like to save in the document folder instead of why it is asking permission. I am the administrator only, right? Library. Let's my need to check the permissions. Before that, let's go for system manager tools. Let's go for computer management. Let me check my permissions. Local users. Let's I log in as a GCP admin. Okay, I'm not built-in administrator. So if you log in administrator, you have rights. Okay, no problem. Let's go here. Properties tab. So what type permission? I have the administrator rights. So I am under administrator group only. Okay. So I should compulsory have these rights. Or else you can enable this one. Administrator account properties tab. I will enable the administrator account. It is by default disable mode. Go and apply. The following are required. The password does not fit password policy required password.
Sir, what happen? What happen if we are copy paste the code in folder, not in file?
Folder is
Can
not
we?
read. Folder is not read. So inside folder I am doing right. So
Mm-hmm.
I need file inside this www root folder. So I am trying to do that. See, so it's copy pasting not allowed. Let's click on it is saved where documents it is saved. Okay, fine. Now go for your documentation section, C drive. So where is our document? Here it is so saved. Save. Okay, nice. This is the file I want actually. Go for documentation. This is index file I need. This file I can't cut and go for C drive. So I'm unable to hear because of if you log in as a default admin user, you can do it. So I can't copy paste here. Paste. Continue. Yes, done. Anyway, it's allowed. Okay, fine. So now go and test. Yes, my custom page is open. Outside people also they can access my custom page. See, like this. So the web designer can do the customization. Example. Okay, it's a one example. Fine. So IAS is done. Server one done. go for next. Linux, we have three types of web servers, right? So first one, I will install the HTTPD, NGINX, and Ubuntu. See, HTTPD web server, you can install in only two operating systems. HTTPD web server. You can install in Red Hat or CentOS. So I launched CentOS. So CentOS is the last system I launched, right? This is the VM4 CentOS operating system. Connected to this CentOS operating system, let's go on to SSH. Let's connect it to your VM04 and check the operating system type, host name, and IP address details once you connect it. So it asking the authentication done, SSH key transfer, everything is established automatically. Right? I connect to web browser. Easiest way of access. Now check the your system information. Like this is the host name. What is host name? Sorry. So this is CentOS, right? Sometimes these comments will not say accepted. See host name VM04 right now. So host name CTL. What type of operating system this one? CentOS. Now you can see operating system type CentOS. Fine. Right. So what is internal IP address? Host name IPN small I. You can check. This is the internal IP. Fine. Now I have to install. See Red Hat CentOS for package installation. We have to use the M command. Sudo space M space update space -y. Initial repositories will update it automatically if you enter this command. All initial repositories. So up to date. It will connect to internet. It will download the data from internet. It will update their all our OS files up to date. All versions will be updated. In case if you receive any vulnerability to your CentOS operating system, you have to do manually like this. This is the patch updation. It comes under patch updation. If you receive any security vulnerability for your CentOS operating system, so you have to do this out. So sudo m update or upgrade command. You can use any one of the command sudo m update or upgrade. Now it's updating all the repositories, all default files with the latest version. It's download the patches and updating all patches with the latest information. Once done, we have to install the web server role. I will show you how to install the web server. It will take some time. Let's see. So it is updating all the repositories. These repositories is done. So cloud, this is the big repository, so it will take some time to develop. Yes, all these are the default repository, kernel, update, everything is done. Okay. So all upgrades are up to date. Everything is up to date. So running the transaction, right? Preparing, upgrading done. So running the scriptlet. Yes. We have 40 updates. So out of 40 is doing 10. Remaining pending, we'll see. This will update all the things. 21 done out of 24, 34. 40 is out of 40 done. Once initial repo is updated up to date, now go and install the web server role. Let's go and install the web server role. Okay. So all packages are up to date. Yeah. So we have 40 packages, so that's reason it will take some time. So everything is updated. Kernel tools, network manager, right? So all library files, binary files, everything is updated. Total packages, 18 upgrade packages. Okay. 4 packages are recently installed. Right. Done bus. Completed. Updation done. Next you have to install the role. So what is command sudo space? So yum space install space. Why I'm using sudo? Because I logged in as a user. That's the reason here you can see the dollar symbol. If you log in as a root account, here you can see the hash symbol. Okay. That is only difference to identify the user account, or you can check with username also. Sudo yum install web server role httpd star -y. I'm installing all the HTTPD web server packages. It will install all the HTTPD web server packages. Yes, start installing all the using the RPM packages, everything HTTPD. See, you can see all the HTTPD web server packages successfully installed. Now restart this HTTPD web server. So everything is done. 82 packages are there. All 82 packages are installed. Out of 82, 82 done. Done. So these are all the packages installed successfully. Fine. Now restart the service. How to restart? Sudo space systemctl start httpd. How to check service is running or not? Sudo space systemctl status httpd. Now you can see my server is active and running. Now you want to stop, you can use the same command. Sudo systemctl instead of status, you can stop on HTTP. Service will be stopped automatically. We don't want this service. Now test the default website page. So let's copy the public IP address. Copy. Let's go and test our default website page. HTTPD IP address, provide the port number. Now this is the default website page. So HTTPD sent voice, HTTPD server. This is default website page. You want to do customization? Yes, you can do it customization. So how to do customization? Just go here. Let's connect to your system, right? So where is the default location file? So for this default location file will be there in slash variable folder. Let ls. Here we have cd space www folder ls. Here so we cd space html folder ls. Now here we have to copy paste the our row. So we can do the custom file here. This location, you have to go to this location, variable whtml. You can create your custom file. So sudo space nano space, right? So index.html. You guys know HTML language, so you can do it. Sudo space. If nano command is not take, so you can take another vi command also. You can use sudo space vi space index.html. These are the Linux commands, guys. Terminal is open. Enter a small I or capital I. Insert mode is come. Now enter your HTML codes. I'm doing some sample HTML code. Okay, you can do it as per your requirement. Let's see. So BG color, body space BG color, body space BG color is equal to I'm giving you yellow. You can give any color, and then so mark you, and then font space font color. Font color I'm giving you blue. You can give any color font color. Right. Let's go and give the website title. So welcome to HTTPD. Welcome to HTTP the web server. Okay. So close the slash h1. Close the title and close the all the font remaining things. Let's close it to remaining things slash mark you for scrolling purpose. Let's body, and then let's go and close the slash html also. This is sample code I am using. You can use any code. Okay, this is sample thing I am using. Just copy. Okay, let's save it. How can I save? Escape. So escape button. So here we have to give the um, colon option. Just click colon. Escape colon W cube shift one, guys. It will save and quick return back to our terminal. WQ shift one escalation symbol. So just click on enter here. It will come back. Now my file is saved successfully. Now go and test your website page. Look will be changed. This is default website page, right? It will open our custom website page. Now you can see this is my custom website page. Right? Second web server configuration also done. Customization also done. Example I'm showing like this. You can do it whatever you want based on the index file code. Okay. This is the IA server. This is the HTTP web server. Let's go and do it too. So we have two more servers up there. Connect to server 3. Let's same way. So open SSH, connect via browser, and check what is the type of operating this one. Operating system type. It is a Debian or Ubuntu. We have two more web servers in Linux. So one is the NGINX, another one is the APACHE. Okay, let's do it. Now this is system I connected. What is the host name? Host name. Okay. Host name CTL. Operating system type. It's a Debian. In Debian, I want to install the NGINX or APACHE, whatever you want. Let's go and install NGINX web server. So let's go for what is command sudo space. So For Debian and Ubuntu, we have to use this command, guys. Instead of yum command, we have to use this sudo space apt or -get, take this one, or only apt. You can use your choice. So package installation purpose, sudo space apt space update -y. Initial software packages are will be updated. Initial repositories are updated. How I updated for CentOS and Red Hat, same process. Now this is command. You can see the list of the upgradable things. If you enter this command, what we did, you can see information of the list of the upgradable. So these are the upgradable library, default library repositories information. Fine. Let's install your web server role. Sudo space apt space install space NGINX small y. NGINX web server role I am installing. Very simple. On restart the NGINX service. So how to restart? Sudo space systemctl start ng